Next we're going to try a little bit of a role play between Ian Davies and I around the Success Team Accelerator sales crit. So we haven't actually practiced this. We just had a little conversation around how we thought it might go. So just bear with us, and sometimes just in the example of it, can be helpful for people. So Ian, thanks for getting back to me. So I'm going to treat Ian as if he's someone, I've perhaps talked to, sent some information, etc. And we're just at a point of like getting to understand where he is at more and possibly transitioning him into the system. So thanks for getting back to me, Ian. What is it that's kind of caught your attention around what I've sent you? I'll do some of the things. These are the words I use because I want to know, and Ian can come up with something.
Well, hello, Linda. I was just curious about your products because I need some help.
Yeah, for sure. So are there some things that you're particularly looking for help with?
Well, I've been a carpenter all my life, working very hard in Wales in the damp, cold climate, and been on my knees a lot. And I'm 60 next year, and I've got to make it to retirement. And my body's broken. My knees are gone. My hips gone. I've got arthritis in my hands. They're all bent over, and somehow I'm able to just about make it through the day working. And I'm really nervous. Can I make it through the next 10 years or so to retirement? Because my body's breaking down and broken down. I've tried all sorts of products and nothing's worked for me.
Okay, that sounds actually quite stressful. And I imagine some days are worse than others, Ian.
Yeah. In the cold and the damp, I have a lot of inflammation, and I kind of creak when I get out of bed. It takes me a while to even start moving until I start becoming flexible enough even to get in the truck to go to work.
Yeah. And how are you finding your circulation in the cold? Are you getting, seen as in this role play, Ian's based in Wales? Are you getting chilblains or anything? Well, is it really severe in the winter?
I cold hands and cold feet, and it's very hard to warm up. I have lots of hot cups of tea all day to warm up, and a piece of cake, and I do that often just to warm myself up. And
cool. So
very good with me.
Yeah. So it sounds like your body's been overworked, and certainly the builders I know that it's pretty constant and hard work. There's lots of tools that can help you, but ultimately beams need lifting and positioning, and there's lots of that. So I can see and hear why, perhaps coming up to 60 with what we know about stem cells, and that your body requires stem cells every day to rebuild and repair. And once you're over the age of 25, that this migration rate really slows down. So I think that you've probably really picked up on that and some of the information that you've looked at, that this product line has a real point of difference compared to anything else that you've tried.
Well, I've taken an enormous amount of chondroitin and glucosamine and all sorts of stuff, MSM, and I've taken it for a long time, but it hasn't done anything for me. So can this be different?
So yes, it is different because it's really working on a whole different mechanism, which is now how we really understand how our body rebuilds and repair. And the other really cool thing about the Stem Enhance Ultra product is it has other benefits. It's extremely nutritious. And what I also think might be a great benefit for you, Ian, particularly while you're going through those sort of many months of rebuilding your body, is that the product has a wonderful mood enhancer, and it just helps you feel like you can kind of cope. And also we know that the pigment in the product has a natural anti-inflammatory effect. So some people, if they start seeing changes in their discomfort quite quickly, it's often just these natural anti-inflammatory effects. So, you can look out for that on your journey. And then for some people, it's like they need to really see how they're going 6, 8, 10, 12 months down the track after giving their body lots of resources. So with all that going on, are there anything else that you're noticing with your body?
6, 8 months down the track, I was hoping I could just buy a bottle and try it.
Okay,
and if I see results, then I can maybe decide if I want to place another order.
Oh, cool. I think you're channeling Andy Goodwin and Davies. Let's put Linda on the spot. So what Linda would say, she'd take a mouthful of water, and I would come back with that and just say, like, really, that's great to know that's for me to know that that's your perspective, Ian, because actually It's really not relevant to this product, and it's really not relevant to how your body rebuilds and repairs yourself. You remember on that bit of video content I sent you off the funnel, it really talked about how, the stem cells are in the bone marrow, and they come out and they rebuild and repair the body. So, and that once you're over that age of 25, this repair rate really starts to slow down. So when you think about it, you've got quite a lot of time on the planet that you've been breathing oxygen, but you've also been working really quite hard. So you sort of get a sense of really how much deterioration is probably built up in your body.
Yeah, I see. But can I just try a bottle and see if it works?
So what I found in my experience is one of the saddest things that people can do is actually just to purchase a bottle and see how they are at the end of the month. Because I know from my experience, what I've learned from the researchers about this product is that it's supporting a process that takes time. So I actually feel like I'd be doing you a really big disservice, because in a way I'm saying, here, Ian, buy this bottle from me and see how you're going in a month. And it's like I'm reinforcing this expectation that in a month's time you might be noticing differences, when I know from the people I've met, the people that I've helped, that really it's about getting these resources moving in your body day by day, week by week, month by month, and seeing where you are in 6 to 8 months' time. So all the recommendations really is to committing to taking a good amount of product relevant to yourself and how much you're going through and your body size, and really committing to taking to that long term.
Okay, so with that, I am in a bit of a pickle. My body's breaking down. How much is it going to cost me?
How much is it going to cost? So one of the things I just love about Sorul is they have these wellness pack options, and they come in a couple of price structures. So the price structures in Australia where you live is that you can get 3 bottles of product shipped directly to you on a regular monthly auto shipment purchase for $249. That includes shipment, and it gives you the product at a cheaper unit price per bottle. And that is the most commonly purchased pack within the company. And then for some people who might need a bit extra, and I'm suspecting that it might be really advisable, because we're coming into winter down under, is to add in a bottle a month of the circulation enhancer, because those chronic cold hands and feet that you're experiencing can be supported with a circulation enhancer. So the Wellness Pack Elite, as we call it, can ship you 4 bottles a month for $329. And I think that would be a really great investment for you to realistically support your body over the next 8 months, and then we can kind of review it from there. And really at 8 months, you're going to have your own valuation of the product. You're going to have perhaps your own experience of the mood enhancement, etc. And it's going to be a very different position around making decisions than where you're at right now.
Okay, this is very logical. Okay. What do you need? Do you take Visa or MasterCard?
Exactly. We take both. So it's cool. So that's an example, and I guess it could go all sorts of ways. Ian might have kind of just gone, actually, I need to talk to Melanie about that, etc. But then we would just kind of follow through from there. Within himself, he's already getting his own understanding that this product has a point of difference to anything else that he's worked with, that someone's been kind of very real with him and sort of said, mate, you've knocked yourself around. You actually need to invest in helping your body catch its breath and supporting it from then on. That's, I guess, me sharing very much how I work with it. There is one time, where I might perhaps, sometimes I just give people a couple of weeks of product, and that's the odd person that's extremely sensitive and they've just spent a fortune on supplementation, and I guess they're very hopeful that something to do with mobilizing their own stem cells might help that. But they're just so overspending money on supplementation that I will, give or sell them a couple of weeks of product just to see if we can start, even just at a pinch, etc., for them to get their own confidence. But even when I'm doing that, I'm like, if this is proving something that your body can handle, this is something that I'll be asking you to commit to for in those cases, 12 months plus, so that their body can actually start catching its breath and getting some better foundations.
Wonderful. Well, Linda, this was so much fabulous information covering so many bases. Was there anything else you want to cover before we end up? Because we are way over half an hour.
Oh, we are, aren't we? Oh, it's such a big subject. And I know this morning Mark was talking about other things. I said, let's just kind of keep it at that, because it is a big subject. There's lots of amazing training out there. And if you're motivated around really becoming an effective messenger, following up, learning how to close, etc., go forth and find the answers. Rewatch this video and see what connects for you there. There's this is a book I often get people to read. It's called Master the Art of Selling. It's actually a real classic. And there's lots to be learned, and there's the most amazing couple of chapters on closing. So sometimes I just get people to read the chapters on closing because they're doing everything else right. They're just not asking for the sale. So it just gives lots of examples how to do it. And it is written by a real estate agent, but it's written in the context for anyone. I quite like the blurb on the back. If your job involves persuading others to invest their time, effort, or money in your product, service, or idea, this book was written just for you. There's merit in the saying, it's not what you say, but how you say it. Inside these pages are the selling strategies that will put you in front of people who can say yes to you. Even better, you'll learn exactly what to say and how to say it to help them make buying decisions, etc. So if you're out there kind of going, what's the next book I need to read? This might be a sign. It's available on Amazon. And I think every book that's out there on personal development and sales, there's always some magic gems that can add to your life within the pages. And it's about dedicating yourself to that reading and moving forward. And I know Cherry Mertens at the moment is currently chewing her way through my library, and I'm really proud of her. She's, one of the books I got her to read is called The Slight Edge, and The Slight Edge just talks about mastering the mundane, some of the aspects of this business that aren't so exciting as getting people in the system and that, but actually, the follow-up, etc. And one of the things that she's seen that she can really master is a commitment to personal development and reading 10 pages a day. And I'm like, we're going to get to the year, and how much are you going to have digested, rather than kind of going, I need this much time. You don't. You just need to take chunks. And I see that about this business. It's lots of chunks and being consistent.
Beautiful. Well, Linda Hoggard, you are such a valuable gem. Thank you for sharing your heart and soul. And thank you all around the world for being with us. And we will be back the same time, same place in 2 weeks. Goodbye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.